खाना पीना खिला दिया यार, इतना पैसा खर्च किया, कुछ तो कर लो। All right. We all saw what happened in Ramnagar today, right? We got felicitated. It was surreal for me for being very, very honest. The kind of relationship Ramnagar team has been able to build, it's amazing. And to just give them a token of appreciation, I don't know if it's good enough or not. And for that, I want to call Sagar first on the stage to talk about what happened, and then also have his team Madhu and Srinivas to come up to just give out a token of appreciation to all of them.
Madhu.
What bola? CG.
Come. Tina, come. Okay. So yeah, to be very honest, it's being a roller coaster ride for me. अगर हिंदी में बोलूँ ना मेरी तो फट गई। मतलब सुबह 6 बजे दिवेश का फोन आने से लेकर 8 बजे रामनगर में पहुंचने से लेकर रात के 2 बजे घर पे पहुंचना, देन डिनर करना, देन सुबह 6 बजे अगले दिन उठना, देन वापस रामनगर आना ड्राइव करके 75 किलोमीटर डेली। मेरी तो बच गई थी मैं। आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर 15 days बिफोर व्हेन आई वाज सेलिंग विद एमएमके, मतलब मेरे लीडर्स कुछ बैठे हुए यहाँ पर, मेरे वॉमिटिंग हो गई थी। धूप इतनी तेज थी, मतलब काम कर रहे थे, चक्कर आने लगे थे और वॉमिटिंग हो गई थी। दिवेश को कॉल आया, मैंने उनको बोला मुझे वॉमिटिंग हो गई है। दिवेश ने बोला यार यू टेक अ लीव। आधे घंटे बाद मैंने बोला सारा लॉट बिक गया, अब मैं घर जा रहा हूँ। सो बीइंग ऑनेस्ट, मेरी जर्नी बहुत स्टार्टिंग 2016 से मैंने अपना करियर स्टार्ट किया है। फ्रॉम अ रेंज ऑफ 8,000 रुपीज फॉर माई फर्स्ट सैलरी, देन आई मूव टू 19, देन आई मूव टू 50, देन 60, 70, 80। आई जस्ट मूविंग। और जो मेरी लाइफ में कुछ जो बच गया था ना, मतलब मुझे पैसे से उतना नहीं है, बट लाइफ में जो बच गया था ना, वो मुझे रेशम मंडी ने दिया। मुझे ग्राउंड्स पे काम करना था। और टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, जो लाइफ में बचा हुआ था कि नहीं यार मुझे एक कुछ तो है। जब मेरा इंटरव्यू हुआ था, मयंक कॉल्ड मी इन द ऑफिस। हम नीचे बैठे ऑफिस में जाकर, तो मयंक ने बस एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था मेरे से। मेरे इंटरव्यू में कुछ पूछा नहीं गया मेरे से, दिवेश ने भी मेरे से कुछ नहीं पूछा था। बस एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, तो क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहता है रेशम मंडी? तो वेल सेटल्ड है, सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है, सैलरी ठीक ठाक है, तो व्हाई रेशा मंडी? तो मैंने बस इतना बोला था कि ये स्टार्टअप है और मैं आकर ना कुछ अलग डिफरेंट करना चाहता हूँ, और जो मेरे को करियर में हेल्प करेगा बूस्ट करने के लिए। एंड इट्स रामनगर की जो जर्नी सिर्फ सागर की जर्नी नहीं है, वो रीलर्स की भी जर्नी है जिन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट किया। थैंक्स रीलर फॉर दैट। लोहित, एमएमके, रुमान, मुजीब भाई, थैंक्स अ लॉट यार, आप लोगों ने जितना मुझे सपोर्ट किया। लव यू रोहित, ठीक है, ही इज बीइंग माय गुड फ्रेंड, है ना। उसके बाद 2 और लोग जिन्होंने 48 आवर्स, मैं 2 बजे रात के फोन करूं या मैं सुबह 6 बजे फोन करूं, कभी मेरे को ना सुनने को नहीं मिला मेरी टीम से। सो ये पहला बंदा जिसने मेरे को पूरा, आई रियली एडमायर हिम, आई रिस्पेक्ट हिम यार। एंड आई वांट मयंक कि ये मेरे साथ आगे ग्रो करे, नॉट सिर्फ इन रामनगर। हम बहुत कुछ आगे करने का प्लान कर चुके हैं, और मैं दिवेश से डिस्कस नहीं हुआ, मयंक से डिस्कस नहीं हुआ, जहां सागर रहेगा वहां शीना जरूर रहेगा।
Guys, just to add on, सीना का भी एक्सीडेंट हुआ था बीच में, and he was still working for next 48 hours with a broken leg. So that's what Sina is.
So बस last but not the least, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त।
Okay. Ground staff, I don't know how much you understand as to what happens in our corporate office. and I'll give you a synopsis. सौरभ एक ऐसा आदमी है, ऐसा बॉस है जिसने अगर बोल दिया कि फ्राइडे को लॉन्च होना है तो उसकी टीम थर्सडे को लॉन्च करती है. पता नहीं क्यों होता है, लेकिन हो जाता है. और बहुत सारी चीजें लगातार ऐसी ही हुई. उसके लिए कुछ है टेक्नोलॉजी टीम में जो हीरे हमको मिल गए हैं शायद, एंड वी वांट टू अप्रिशिएट दैट. लोकेश, कैन आई हैव यू ऑन द स्टेज?
I'll add something for Lokesh here. So when we started off, the first 4 weeks were very hard because there was a lot of product to build. बहुत कुछ बनाना था हमको बहुत कम टाइम में, और हम काफी कुछ इनिशियल पार्ट में नहीं बना पाए. And we were all very frustrated and giving up. उसके बाद हमने थोड़ी strategy change की. And then next 3 days, Lokesh delivered everything that was to be delivered for weeks. Big hand, guys. Okay, so a big part of technology development, हम एक टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी है, राइट? और टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी का एक बहुत ही बड़ा पार्ट होता है सर्वर साइड डेवलपमेंट. ओके, सौरभ केम फ्रॉम द यूएस, सेट एवरीथिंग अप, बट ही नीडेड सम रिलायबल जनरल्स जो कि उनके साथ सर्वर साइड बिल्ड कर सकें. One such general is between us today, who has been with us through thick and thin, and has been literally the backbone of Resha Mandi Tech. His name is Krishna Raj. Krishna Raj, please come on stage. By the way, Krishna Raj is also from a weaving community, and he has helped us set up vertical core as well. So he has been doing tech as well as helping us set vertical core, which is very rare for technologists. But you will get more of this. Thanks. Okay, Helios Center में हमारा एक बहुत ही बड़ा रॉकस्टार है, जो भी हम जिसके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. This person used to be a trader earlier. उसको कुकुन ट्रेडिंग के बारे में बहुत कुछ पता है. And when he joined Resha Mandi, since then he has been a very very great performer. Any guesses कौन है वो Helios Center पे रॉकस्टार? Okay, Chetan. Chetan, please come on stage. Louder, guys. रेशा मंडी का एवरेज एज 27 है. कोई एनर्जी तो दिखाओ.
Well, Chetan has been an all-rounder whom I can send him to any part of Karnataka, anywhere. He can manage and get things done. That's the level of confidence I have with this guy. Thank you.
Okay, so there is one person in the call center जिसके पहले इंटरव्यू के बाद मैंने बोला था maybe not such a great fit for Resha Mandi. Okay, and then he came back again, said, you know what, give me a chance, and we decided to give him a chance. Okay, second time we gave him a chance, we said, you know what, एक हफ्ता ले लो और हम देखते हैं आप एक हफ्ते में क्या कर सकते हो. Okay, 3 दिन के बाद I had decided कि this guy deserves to be in Resha Mandi क्योंकि इसने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Okay, he has set up an entire vertical for us single-handedly. Who is that person? Vinay, can you please come on stage? Everyone knows who this person is. Vinay, where is you? Where are you? There. आगे के पहले छुपा हुआ था. एक बहुत ही स्मार्ट सा बंदा है हमारे बीच में. Very smart, very handsome, very good looking guy, sometimes with the sunglasses. All the time. He is a UI developer and he has been a backbone along with Lokesh of building the front end. And he has impressed me personally multiple number of times. Who is he?
Ayush.
Corporate office. आयुष प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. आयुष की स्माइल कभी खत्म नहीं होती.
Okay. I'll divert to a very different topic. Accounting in Resha Mandi is hard. And people don't feel it. Our accounts guy are working at around 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, waiting for the call from the operation team to make sure that the farmers are paid on time. And for that, I appreciate the effort that these guys have put in. Vignesh, can I have you on stage, please?
I need extra thunder of applause. Come on, guys, for Vignesh. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Okay. The biggest factor as to how we were able to launch our mobile app was contributed to a couple of people. That one person who came over from a very handsome paying job from NDTV all the way to Bangalore to join Resha Mandi is Ayush. He has not only impressed me in terms of development, he has impressed me in terms of his common sense. And that's saying it all. Sorry, Ankur. Yeah, sorry about that. Ankur, please. But this is not all for Ankur. We need people to be part of Resha Mandi not only as employees but also as partners to us. And for that, we are offering a ESOP to Ankur.
Ankur, now you are a part of the core team. You are part owner of the company. Remember that. Congratulations.
One guy, actually, he's working as admin and he's running, I think you can see everywhere running in the office. Whatever you see, he will do. Such a type of guy, I'm missing him actually today. Mr. George, on behalf of him, I'll call Sophronia to take the award actually. On behalf. Yeah, Mayank ji, aa jao na, aap diyo na. Yeah, come on, sir! जॉर्ज को सुनने का वो एक्चुअली इधर है बनेरघाटा रोड में उसका ओन हाउस आज मिल रहा है डीएक्स मैक्स में उसका ओन हाउस फ्लैट उसको हैंडेड ओवर है इसलिए मिस हो गया ये इवेंट उसका खुश का दिन है इधर भी उसके अवार्ड मिल रहे हैं उधर तो 4 साल के बाद में डीएक्स मैक्स वाला आज उसको फ्लैट दे रहा है जोर से सर कम ऑन उसको सुनने का उसको
I want to thank George sincerely, though he is my reportee, but he works for everyone. Okay, So most of the times I don't find George on his place, and he is delivering service to some of the other stakeholders. So while I want to thank George, I also want to thank Rabia and Arpita, which I did not do earlier. These two girls are working silently, diligently. They go unnoticed, but genuinely from a team of 25 in our last all hands meet on Jan 13th until now, by 4th of March, 5th of March, we are 70 only because of them. Thank you, George. Thank you, Arpita, and thank you, Rabia.
The contribution that Cocoon Trade makes in Resha Mandi is immense. That's where we started. There was one guy we hired and he's already told his story as to how he set up Ramnagar, vomited, worked, blah, blah, blah. But one thing that I really like about that guy is that this don't say die attitude. He'll never say never. He'll never come back to you with a question mark. He'll come back with a solution. He's already doing a lot of other strategic initiatives which nobody has even heard of. I got to know about it when I walked into Ramnagar today morning. And that is an exceptional mark of being a leader. So Sagar, for that I salute you, man.
I've got only one word for this guy. बाकी कहानी तो इसने बताई थी. He's my Bofors. I'm sure आप लोगों ने सुना होगा what Bofors is. So he's my Bofors. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. There are a couple of announcements that we would want to make in terms of promotions that are happening in Resha Mandi. I would call on the person, then tell their designation as to what would be the new title and what we are asking them to do and what they've been doing. Lokeshwari, please come in. Lokeshwari has been leading our customer service department for quite some time now. But one thing that we all like about her is that she will get into a job, she'll get it done for you, and she will never say, "Mayank bhaiya, ye nahi hoega," aisa kabhi nahi hota hai. And for that, she is getting promoted. I'm putting her into a special initiative program. She will continue to be in charge of call center, and her designation just changed to become manager. And congratulations on that. We have increased her salary as well. That has your appreciation letter and also your hike letter. Mohan Raj, come on up. Okay. Call center is very boring, by the way. You need to make calls, hundreds of them. Will connect 20, and then you will hear no from 10. And then if your stars are favoring you, you'll basically have one yes out of that 100. It's not easy. We needed somebody, because Lokeshwari was now moving into a different role, we needed somebody to manage that team. Who better than you? Congratulations on the promotion. Okay. I want Shobit to come on. A rock star by any mile. He can throw miles and miles out in his dream right now. And for that, we are handing over a territory to him. He's becoming a cluster manager with us. And for that, congratulations.
So guys, like I said, I had a Bofors, and now this guy is like a silent missile. You, no matter how much you shout, you show your aggression or anything, he's always smiling. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. And the aggression that he shows that is in Goa. कहीं भी भेज दो, कुछ भी भेज दो, फाड़ के आ जाएगा. That's what it is.
Madhu, hi, come back. Okay, this is the first hire effectively for Resha Mandi. The guy has been with me. I'm actually emotional about this. He has been with me for 8 months now. 8, 9 months? Yeah. And when he came in, no, he didn't knew how to handle a laptop. He didn't knew how to handle a smartphone. But he learned on the job. He was able to perform on the job. He's turned around Jatpara for us. He's turned around Sarjapur for me. He's worked with Ramnagar. He's training people on the ground. And for that, I'm making him my cluster manager. He's getting promoted. That's equivalent to Shobit. And another thing that I really admire about people is loyalty. He is so loyal to the company that I can't even tell you that much. And for that, I'm making him an offer of ESOP. And he's going to be a partner of Resha Mandi as on today.
So, Madhu, just like his name, he's sweet. And like mine said, he's total high integrity guy, highly loyal guy. And the best part about this is he do not take stories nor he tells story. If he doesn't like it, he'll be upfront. And if he agrees to the point, he'll give his heart and soul. And really, in my so much of career, I've really interacted with such kind of loyalty and dedicated guys. He's one of them. Hats off to Madhu. And I'm really happy to see him part of my team.
Abhishek, hi. Abhishek, hi. Where are you? Come. It's hilarious that I was shouting on him yesterday. But no, the good factor about this guy is he's always happy. Happy-go-lucky, does not matter. You shout at him 5 minutes back, he'll have a plan, he'll come back, he'll say sorry, whatever it is that he needs to do, he'll get it done. So for that, there is a token of appreciation, of course, for you. But also a ESOP offer for you. Welcome to the partnership.
So adding something on to what Mayank already mentioned, when Abhishek first came in, first week was very hard with us. As I'm aware that most of you will believe that first week at Resha Mandi is usually hard, right? Once Abhishek picked up, since last 1.5 months, I haven't turned to look at what is happening in the app. And whatever work I need, I just pass it on to him, and I know it will get delivered. I don't even ask him whether it is being done or not. He has been that reliable for us.
Thanks, Abhishek. Okay. What do I say about this guy? Krishna Manyar, can you come up?
He'll take.
I don't know who's taking the photograph. Whether the photograph is taken or not, you need to be here. Okay. This guy comes from a design background, okay? उसको केवल डिजाइन समझता है, आर्ट समझता है और कुछ नहीं समझता था. Then he came on the first day and he said, मेरे को ना बिजनेस करना है, धंधा सोचना है, धंधा सीखना है. He went on a trip with Devesh for around 10 days, 15 days, yeah. And they were in Maharashtra, roaming around, trying to understand from different people, क्या हो रहा है, कैसे करना है, Maharashtra कैसे expand होगा. And they not only expanded Maharashtra, they were able to crack a deal with the government, where we are taking over Baramati market now. And that is a huge deal, a government offering you their own mandi. And for making that happen, we are promoting you as head of special projects. And just because you're now becoming a head, there is a ESOP offer, of course. And welcome to the partnership.
So Krishna has worked with me for 6 years now, right? I first got to know him when he was just an intern, and he was so freaking dedicated that I was surprised कि आदमी काम कैसे करता है. हमने इसको कुछ डिजाइन करने को बोला था, and there was some dispute between shapes. So somebody said that shapes should be perfect squares, and somebody said they should be curved. So he went on a walk for the next 3 hours to look at natural objects and figure out that most objects that people see around, are they square shapes or are they curved edges, right? And he concluded curved edges. By the way, that similar story you may have heard about Steve Jobs. If you have not, I am telling you this, that this is the very same story that Steve Jobs also did 30 years before him. Okay, so Krishna, welcome to the club. You are almost a co-founder.
इतना चिल्ला चौट सुना था ना अभी बीच में एक आदमी आया उछला चिल्लाया वो तुमसे ताली बजवाया इससे ताली बजवाया दैट्स व्हाट ही डज बट व्हाट ही डज मोर देन दैट इज अकाउंटिंग एंड बट मोर देन दैट ही केयर्स फॉर पीपल एंड दैट्स जग्गू भाई फॉर मी he made my salaries when I was working with Inconic he now makes everybody's salary here you take a panga with him your salary is not getting credited that's sure and for that he is becoming a chief accounts officer getting an ESOP as well. He's buying into our partnership. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you, Mayank, and all my two of the co-founders and all my Reshamandi people. Actually, what I Mayank जी एक दिन मेरे को कॉल करके बोला भाई मैं एक कंपनी स्टार्ट की आ रहा है बोल के भाई आधा घंटे में आपके घर पे रहता हूँ मैं. This is my answer I got him because I believed him. Other than 3 people, Rashid tha, Madhu tha, the 6th one I am the Resha Pandi because I believed him. Today you see we have 100 plus people team. 100 plus, not 70 people ke bolte 100 plus people team. Within a span of 2 months, this is the what achievement Resha Pandi does. Trust me guys, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜನ ಇದಾರಲ್ವಾ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗ್ ಬರತ್ತಾ ಸರಿ ನನ್ನ ಹುಡುಗರು ಹಾವೇರಿ ಹಿರಿಯೂರು ಜಾತವರ ಬಿಜಿಕೆರೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಹರಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಒಬ್ಬರು ನೈಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಈ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಆ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಚೂರು ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಚೂರು ಕೂಡ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ನಾನು ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ ಬಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಏನ್ ಭಯ ಪಡಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ನನ್ನ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ರಾಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ I need big thunder of applause for my rock stars, our ops team and rest of the other my department guys. Guys, ये साइड बहुत वीक हो गए मेरे को ये साइड थोड़ा क्लैप चाहिए मोहसिन भाई come on thank you guys
Thank you for that. A company can't be managed without its human resources and you require a very strong head to be able to manage and to be able to recruit and to be able to process so many things that are required legally for a company to be able to process. Otherwise we get into diligence problem, we get into investor problem, we get into a government problem. So the first hire after we were comfortable, we knew that our funding is coming in. The first hire we did was Sophronia after Jagdish ji come in. And Sophronia has been a turnaround story. She was so good at recruitment initially that she was able to get us to a 25 people team. Then I told her, listen, you're going to dilute yourself. You're basically going to be liquidating all your assets only on this. You are more than this. And she does not know what that more means. But I know that she has the capability. And for that, I am promoting her to become a C-level executive with us as a Chief Human Resource Officer. And I am offering her a ESOP.
We inherently are nothing. We are only when people believe in us. And Mayank believes I am the head and I can be the CHRO. That is just more than enough. Thank you, Mayank, so much. And thank you for trusting me.
We have 4 verticals. Everybody joined in with a different expectation altogether. I'm not joking. We never had verticals concept. We had a concept of head of operations. We had a concept of a head of sales. But becoming a business unit owner means that you are a pseudo CEO for the company. So right now we have 4 different CEOs in the company. And that's, guys, come here. Devesh, Manish, Prashansa, Kshatish, all of them here. These are the guys who are going to be behaving as their own CEO. I'm going to take some rest on that. So that's good. And all of them are offered ESOPs. All of their designations are changed as on date. They are now all business unit heads. Please make a big round of applause for that because we have just cracked the news. Kshitij's story is different, by the way. He was the first investor who believed in us, and I pushed him over after that. Okay, Devesh and I is an emotional story. We go back, like literally back. We're almost childhood friends. We met probably in 2008-9 time frame. And he's been part of my last startup as well. As my operations said, he's part of this as well. When I told him that I'm starting something, he quickly left his job at Lackman Lever, where he was about to get promoted. He was about to become the national operations head, and he left that and came over to Resha Mandi. And for that, I'm welcoming him open-heartedly to the partnership program. Thank you so much for joining us.
Trust me, the pleasure is all mine. And you know what? मैं जब आया था ना, I only came for mine. But what I got from everybody na, today I feel the kind of thing that I'm getting from Resha Mandi. I feel I'm not just for mine, I'm also for everybody here surrounding the kind of pleasure, the kind of, love, affection you guys are giving it to me. And the kind of team I get it, who is always standing for me to give anything. Guys, मैं उनको सुबह, दोपहर, शाम जो बोलूँ वो अपनी जान लगा देते हैं. So, thank you so much.
Okay, most of you might know. If you don't know, then you will know. Prashant and me are batchmates. We're good friends, very, very good friends, effectively. When she started her label, I helped her. When I was doing my startup, she was helping me. And when I called her, she was already running a successful brand, for that matter. Her brand was already doing 3.54 crores worth of turnover. And I said, listen, leave all that and come over. And she came over within 15 days. And since then, the good factor is she's just joined, like very, very recently. Everybody knows that. But one thing that you don't know, we just cracked deals. We made our vertical force started to function. We are going live on Myntra in next 15 days. And for that, welcome to the partnership. Okay, Divya, can I have you on stage? Divya? Resha Mandi happened because Divya happened. And I'm not joking about it. She happened to us through Deshpande startup, correct? And what a find in Gulbarga. I mean, a 25-year-old lady trying to run an NGO out of Gulbarga, out of a blue, and training rural women as to how to talk to farmers and reelers. Imagine that. And she has been able to perform exceptionally well with us as a partner in crime. And for that, there is a token of appreciation for you. Thank you, Divya.
Okay, this is not me, this is somebody else.
कार्तिक भाई ओके देख रहे हैं आप एक्चुअली कार्तिक भाई मयंक का कजिन है बट हमको सबको भाई हो गया वो एक्चुअली वो इतना अच्छा काम किया ही केम फॉर इंटर्न हियर एक्चुअली इंटर्न के लिए आया था वो इंटर्न छोड़ के सब खर्च कर दिया इधर एक्चुअली रामनगर में इवेंट जातावरा में इवेंट ही हेल्प लॉट थिंग्स ऑन द बोर्ड यू कैन सी रेशा मंडी बोर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ हिम ओनली एक्चुअली ही टेकन हेल्प एवरीबॉडी एंड ही डूइंग जगदीश भैया ये करो वो करो दिखाओ ना सर वो करो ये करो बोल के 100% वी हैव टू अप्रिशिएट हिम सर सबको क्लैप मारो ना क्लैप मारो ठीक है सर क्लैप मारो दिस इज फॉर यू कार्तिक सी एवरीबॉडी इज क्लैपिंग 100% पीपल आर क्लैपिंग फॉर यू थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर डेडिकेशन या भाई ले लो आपका
तेरा अवार्ड मैं एक्सेप्ट कर रहा हूँ अभी मिलेगा
या थैंक यू वेरी मच कार्तिक
So that was our awards and recognition. Yes, we have Sagar who wants to say something.
I request MMK and team to come on the stage. They want to give some pride or to you. MMK and team.
How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Come on, how is the Josh? आपने मौसम बदल दिया भाई. अभिषेक आपने मौसम बदल दिया. जोर से बोलो. How is the Josh? 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 Thank you very much.
Hello, this is small recognition from MMK team to Mahim sir.
Sir, Josh, because they are relaxed, they love us actually. I need Deshamandi people have to love them actually. So आपका ऑर्डर है, बोल ना.
For Mahim sir. Yes. Please sir. May I request, please come on stage, sir, Utkarsh sir. Please welcome, sir. Come forward, sir, Utkarsh sir. Sagar. Come forward, sir. Come straight, sir. Sagar.
I don't know if if this recognition even was required, but one thing is definitely happening. All our customers are loving us. And that's saying it all, I believe. And thank you so much. Thank you for having the faith in us. Thank you for trusting us. And thank you for this. Thank you to make this happen. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.